Like the idea of owning a legendary muscle car? But think better of diving headfirst into a high-dollar investment that's more garage furniture than street crawler. We've got the classic for you. A ton of time and money was spent making this handsome 72 Oldsmobile one of the coolest classics on the planet. Wrapping groovy green and black aesthetics around factory air, a powder-coated chassis, and an athletic Rocket 350 V8. This cool Cutlass is an easy way for any enthusiast to enjoy the collector car hobby. Looking for a well-restored hot rod that's up for roads and cruise-ins? Here's your hot ticket. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.